Today I'm going to be removing a 430 wasp.
What size Allen wrench do you need for it?
That was kind of a butthole move.
I know, it's a 3/32 though. But you gotta tell them, you know.
Well, if I knew I had to know that, I would have said something.
Well, I'm just letting you know for future reference, you know. That way you're not poking around trying to figure out which one it is.
No, what? It's not.
Just keep on loosening it. It stopped.
Yeah.
And go. Don't drop it. Put your hand up underneath it. You're gonna grab it a little bit different now. Make sure you're evened out on it. And there's the 430 wasp. That's simple. Even a 13-year-old can do it.